Hey everyone, and welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we're back on the 66 Mustang Fastback doing the 6-cylinder to 289 conversion. Today's going to be a fun day because we get to install the 289. This is the 289 we built for this car. We're kind of keeping it a concourse look. It is not 100% concourse, but we are making it kind of look that way, kind of sticking with that theme of originality, but it is a fresh rebuild, only 30 thousandths bore, exhaust manifolds that are Cerakoted to imitate a natural look but won't rust, won't develop any kind of surface rust. So that's the engine we're installing. The car is ready. We just did the frame mounts, got the coil springs, all the suspension, the steering, the brake system is all ready to go. So let's get this engine in the car. All right, if you want to follow us along, if you're seeing more and more of our videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Those little things do go a long ways when it helps us in order to help us grow the channel, which is going to help us to make more videos, which is hopefully helpful for you guys. So let's get started. Okay, one little quick tip. Before this engine goes in, I like to leave these bolts loose because of the way the 66 mounts are. It kind of has to go over this here. And if you're, sometimes it's a little bit of a struggle, so it's nice to be able to move things around as you drop it into place. And then once she's in, then we can tighten up all the bolts. So we're gonna leave these just a little bit loose. And once she's all bolted in, we'll kind of do the flex plate and transmission and all that stuff later. Okay, so we have this engine mount bolt that we just threw into the engine frame mounts. Okay, so it's not going anywhere, but if you remember, we left these bolts a little loose. So before I take all the weight off the engine hoist, I want to tighten these up. Okay, so after you tighten all 4 of those bolts, we can just go ahead and loosen our engine. She's gonna rock back a little bit because there's no transmission on it, but that's okay. All right, got her?
Yep.
Very good. Okay. Well, my friends, that's an engine install. So keep in mind that we're gonna tighten, the actual bolt that goes through the mount this way. There's the two mounting bolts that go this way as well. We already tightened those. So our engine's in. Next is a transmission, and then all the other things, radiator, accessories, wiring, all the fun stuff. So then eventually we'll do a first time startup on this. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, all the cool, fun, YouTube-y stuff that helps us grow and make more videos, which are hopefully helpful for you guys. So we'll catch you on the next go around.